You don't have to fight physically, mentally with the enemy or haters or people that's working against you. You can fight peacefully, and that's the main thing that I want to exercise on this channel. I operate in light, and I use my gifts. I use my gifts for good. You know what I'm saying? But you also need to know the dark arts. Not that you're gonna use them, but you need to know how to fight. You know what I'm saying? You need to know what do your opponent, what do they use? How do they operate? How do they think? So that's why I say it's important to also know the dark. Not that you're going to use the dark, but you want to know what you're going up against and how to fight. Not necessarily that you're using the dark to do revenge or do any of that. We're not doing that over here. So I know if you already on this channel and you're a part of this channel, y'all know you ain't with that. You already know that. So again, we bringing this bad boy out. Yes, we bringing it back to him. Oh, people don't understand the power that's in the Bible. It's not necessarily just in this. This is this. You know what I'm saying? It's just how you choose to use it. And I'm teaching you how to use it for good, okay? So the first psalm will be Psalms 64. That's the main one I want to talk about. It's Psalms 64. You can pray this Psalms to reveal your enemies and secret enemies. A lot of times when I pray this prayer, it okay, let me see, because I'm trying to word it so it could, let's see. Psalm 64. It's for protection against enemies and protection from secret enemies. Okay, no harm will befall those who pray this psalm of praise for God's help. In the protection from secret enemies, David prayed this prayer for protection from the plots of secret enemies in confidence. Okay? So we ain't working against nobody. We just praying. Prayer is powerful. That's one of the most important tools that you have to work against the enemy. So you can pray this prayer whenever you need to. If you want to pray it daily, every 2 weeks or once a month, however you feel that you need to pray it, that's the best way. Because I don't have a set time or how many times that I would pray Psalm 64. I just pray the prayer when I feel like I need it. So, like I always stress and teach here, use your discernment. When you feel like you need to read this, read it. And my experience when I read this prayer, I'll usually get a dream relating to that. And it's just like a confirmation of letting you know that, okay, this is the plot they set up for you, but you protect it from whatever the enemy has set out or whatever trap that has been set for you, okay? So that's my background, because I don't want to go too long. I just want to be like, here you go, do that. But I want to give a little background so y'all kind of know what you're praying. You know why you should pray this, why it's important to pray this. And I use the King James Version. That's what I grew up on. That KJV. That's all I know, like. So I recommend, it's my recommendation. Use King James Version. I don't know about all this new stuff, but I'm sticking with the King James Version, okay? And another one that you can do that's really powerful is Psalms 37. Because God truly will make your enemies your footstool. I have seen it. Like, I ain't put my hands on nobody. I ain't have to do no, ooh, let me conjure this up to get this person. No. Now, have I been tempted to and be like, do you know who you looking with? Like, you just don't know if I was on the other side. but thank God I'm not working on the other side. Never have, never will. It's consequences that come with that. But I don't judge nobody who do work on the dark side. Hey, do you? So yeah, you can read Psalms 37. Come on. That bottom line, vengeance is the Lord. Let him take care of that. You know, we do our part and let him handle the rest. You know what I'm saying? He give us common sense. Like, use his words. Use the power in his word to help us. So yeah, read Psalms 37. That's a good one. And also Psalms 74. Even though it could be used for financial, it can be turned, it can be used for plots that the enemy put out, working against, you know. It can be used for help when the enemies plague you. It says, for this Psalm 74, assistance will surely come to the one who prays this in the time of persecution. So if you feel like you need that, when enemies are plaguing you, read Psalm 74. So that's Psalm 64, 37, and 74 if you need it. But I do 64 heavily. And I put that Psalms in the description box below. I put all the Psalms below so that if you can't order the book for whatever reason, but hey, if you're watching this video, you can Google the Bible. And you should have a Bible, because you know we don't throw Bibles away. So I know you got your grandmama Bible laying around somewhere. Use it, open it up, keep it open. That's another thing too. In your house, keep your Bible open. I always keep it open to the 23rd Psalm. But yeah, that's another thing you can do. Always keep your Bible open. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys, and thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank y'all so much for subscribing to my channel. And yeah, just continue to stay blessed and highly favored. Sending you much love and light. And yeah, just let vengeance be the Lord. Don't take that into your hands. Just read the word, and you're gonna be a-okay. All right, until next time. Bye.